how to use two iPhone as a iPhone mirroring on your MacBook. For that, for example, this phone is connected right now or as a iPhone mirroring. Here you can see if I open that, it will be disconnect. It's already connect. Now if you want to try to connect another phone, just go to your iPhone mirroring and press on connect, and at the same time you need to go your setting, open up setting, and select your desktop and dock, and from here you can see the widget. Select the widget, this option, and here you can see the iPhone is as a 17. Now select as 16. Now once you select 16, now if you try to connect again, you need to enter your, then here you can see it's connect now iPhone 15. So this is, you can easily change or connect to iPhone as a mirror skin. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.